It's International Chest Day, so we're training back. Yeah.
Did you know it was President's Day?
It's also President's Day.
Did you know that?
So we're gonna train some back today. Gonna start off with some rows. Probably do some regular, then bump the seat up and do low rows. And then we'll just go from there.
They think that we feel fear. They think that it's luck that got us here. But they don't know about us. They don't know about us. This is what we do. They don't know. This is what we do. They don't know about us. This is what we do. They don't know. This is what we do. The timing isn't perfect if I'm being honest, but the shit never is when we're talking problems. I'm going crazy, my baby's climbing from the bottom, but you can freeze in hell before you can fucking stop her. Hell nada, we still got him. A patchwork heart full of pride, you can hold the vodka, cause the courage ain't liquid or optional. I crawl if I can't run or walk, fuck obstacles.